Hey everyone, welcome back to Marketing Fundas Global. Today I've got something incredibly exciting to share with you. If you are tired of spending hours crafting the perfect presentation, then this video is totally for you and this can be the game changer for you. Well, we are going to dive into an amazing AI tool that can help you to create full-fledged professional presentation within seconds. Well guys, I'm not going to take your time too much in the intro itself. I'm just directly going to reveal the tool and I'll show you the practical tutorial like how you can use that tool and how you can generate full-fledged professional presentation or PowerPoint presentation within seconds. But before that, don't forget to hit that subscribe and the bell icon so that you don't miss these AI tools in the future and different upcoming money-making tools videos. Now let's directly go to the next slide where I'll show you the tool name or the application name, which is gamma.app. Guys, this is a very underrated tool that most of the people don't know about, that there's an application which can help you to create the full-fledged PowerPoint presentation within seconds. So this is the name. Basically, you need to go to Google and search gamma.app, which is app, and you'll be able to land on Gamma's website, right? So let's directly go to Google and I'll show you how to use gamma.app. So guys, as you can see, I'm on Google right now and let's search gamma.app over here. So let me type gamma.app and just hit the enter button and you'll be able to land on the website directly. Right, so as you can see, I've already logged in into gamma.application, but if you don't know how to log in, let me show you a proper login process. I've opened another account over here so that I can show you the login process. So basically what you need to do is you need to search here gamma.app, or you can just search gamma. Right, when you search gamma, the first search result will appear, which is gamma.app. You just need to click on this. And when you click here, this is the landing page or the website of gamma.app. You can check out what are the things they are providing, or what are the perks, what are the benefits, everything. But you don't need to go through the whole website. I'll show you how to use it and I'll show you what are the benefits, right? The first benefit, we already know that it can create PPTs or presentation within seconds. But the thing is, or the question is it capable to provide full-fledged or professional presentations? Because in the market there are countless tools that can create presentation, but they are not able to create the professional or full-fledged presentations. They are just able to create normal presentations which we can't use anywhere, right? So this is the main point. Even you can see the pricing, because this is not totally free, although you can use it for free for some time. I'll show you how you can use it mostly or majorly for free, so don't think about that. Right, so let's just directly click on sign up for free. When we click on sign up for free, we get many options like sign up with Google and all. So here you can see we can directly go with Google, or you can manually enter the email address and the password for your Gamma account, right? And if you already have an account, you can click here on the sign in button. But we don't have an account, as you know, so we'll click with continue with Google so that we can directly log in with our Google or Gmail account, right? So this is our account. I'll click here and this will automatically log in. It will ask me for the permission. Obviously I want to continue with it, and within seconds your gamma.app will be live. Basically you'll be able to log in. Now here you need to complete few steps, like it is asking welcome to Gamma. To get started, give your workspace name. So here you need to name your workspace. So basically it is for personal use or for company use. You can choose whatever suits you, right? So I'll go with the personal, and here it has taken my name from my Gmail account, Abdul Hamid's workspace. So if you want, you can change it as well. It is totally up to you, right? And then click on the workspace, create workspace basically. And here again it is asking one more question, like this helps us to create better experience. So you can simply ask for what use you are creating this account. I'll go with personal, for school, whatever the option suits you. Like I'll go with personal use. What kind of work you do, I'll go with let me go with other. And how did you hear about us? I'll write internet, right? So let's click on get started and it's done. Now this is the first option. Basically it will give you kind of a tutorial to generate presentation, but you can directly click on home because I'm showing you the proper presentation. I mean, not proper presentation. I'm showing you the proper tutorial how you can use gamma.app. So you don't need to take this tutorial or this class, right? So directly click on home and you'll land on this website, right? So this is the gamma.app's home. Now let's say you want to create a presentation. So basically gamma.app helps you to create presentation and few documents, text documents as well. So you can go with blank one, you can go with create with AI. You do have the both option. Basically if you go with blank, so there will be no AI interference, where basically you can manually create your own presentation like we do in Microsoft PowerPoint or Google's presentation option. But obviously this time we want to go with the AI, so that AI can help us to create our presentation. But before that you need to check one more thing, that here you get free credits. This is the credit you get, right? 400 credits, right? So this is for the AI usage. So whenever you use the AI option or different AI tools, because there is not only one AI option available in Gamma, there are multiple AI options available. So according to your usage, your credits will be deducted. But if you're creating manually all the things, like you are designing your presentation manually, you are not using AI, then there will be no credit deduction. Keep this thing in mind, right? So it can be your primary tool for creating presentations, whether you want to use AI or not, right? Now let's go with create new. When I click here, it asks me to paste text, generate or import file. So I'll go with the generate option because I want AI to generate everything, right? So hit the continue button, and here it is asking me like what you want to create: presentation, document or web page. So as I told you that Gamma helps us to create multiple documents. Like you can create a full-fledged web page which you can share with your developer, and the developer will design the same web page with coding, right? And even you can create a document and the presentation, which is the most popular option. Now here you can specify like how many cards you want, right? You can go up to 10 cards for free. Otherwise, if you want to go more than that obviously you need to go for the pro, right? And then the language selection is also here, and here you need to describe the topic, right? So let's see, we want to go with the 8 cards only right now, and you can describe whatever the content you want to create or whatever the presentation you want to create. So let's say we are into digital marketing, so I'll go with one digital marketing topic: evolution of digital marketing. So this is the topic I've taken. You can take whatever the topic you want, right? It is totally up to you. I've just taken a random topic: evolution of digital marketing. And when I click on generate outline, first it will generate the outline, and when you approve that outline, then it will start creating the presentation, right? So it is not like just hit and run or hit and trial again and again, right? It is not like that. You can create the perfect presentation with your first go. So let's click on generate outline. Now it is started generating the outline. Now what you can do is you can remove any outline, you can add any outline, and you can change the serial as well. It is totally up to you. Let's say I want to add introduction or to digital marketing to the next slide, so I can do that as well. But obviously introduction to the digital marketing should be in the top, right? So this is the 8 slide or the top the outline it has created, like the introduction to digital marketing, traditional marketing versus digital marketing, evolution of digital marketing channels, rise of social media marketing, and so on and so forth. If you want to add more, obviously you need to spend more credits, right? As you can see, we are creating 8 cards, or you can say 8 slides, and it is going to charge 40 credits for that. And we do have right now we do have 400 credits, which means it takes 5 credits for a single slide, right? So according to that you can calculate like how many credits you are going to use monthly. Now what is the way to use this tool for free? So basically what you can do is you can create multiple Gmail accounts, and in multiple Gmail accounts you will get 400 credits on a monthly basis. This is a monthly basis, right? This is not for like one time. You get 400 credits every month in your accounts, right? So you can create like 5 or 4, maybe 6, 7 Gmail accounts, and you can use those Gmail accounts one by one, and you can use those 400 credits from every account, right? So this is a kind of a hack to use gamma.app for free. Otherwise, if you want to use only single account, obviously you need to go for the pro when you exceed this 400 credit, right? Now, so let's go, for example, I want to go with this, with these 8 cards, or maybe you want to remove any, you can just click on this delete card button and the card will be deleted, and according to that the charges will be revised. Like if I click here and I add another card like potential of digital marketing, so I can do that as well, right? It is totally up to you, right? Potential of digital marketing, let me change. Yeah, it is done. Now just hit the continue button and within few seconds it will create the whole presentation, and that too a professional presentation, right? Now one more step you need to complete, like you need to select the theme, like you want lighter theme or darker theme or any kind of other different color or combination you can choose. Like as you can see here, different designs are here. You can go with the generate option, you can go with the shuffle option. Basically let's say you want to go with Oasis, you just select the Oasis and click on generate and it will generate the whole presentation in Oasis theme. So right now I want to go with any dark option. Let's go with this default one, or let's go with not default, let's choose this vortex. Pretty dark but looks cool, right? Now if I click on generate, it will generate my presentation under this theme only. If I click on professional, it will show me the professional themes only. So these are some professional themes. If you go with colorful, you will see some colorful themes, right? So I'll go with this vortex, just hit the generate button, and this was the last step. Now within few seconds the presentation will be in front of you, and the best part is it will create the presentation in front of you. As you can see, it is writing and totally AI is writing. I'm not doing anything, right? It's everything automatically, and the formatting, the designing, everything is designed and performed by AI, right? Even the images also has been added by AI, and that's what the power of gamma.app. There's no other tool which can provide this kind of designing and the content and the images and all, right? Background images, formatting, even the bullet points, right? So as you can see, 8 slides has been done over here. Now obviously this is all the slides has been AI generated, so we need to do some manual changes obviously, but those changes will be totally minor, those will be not major, right? So it helps us to save immense time, right? And the customization option you get with this tool is also a plus point, because you can change everything, even the image, even the text, or the formatting, the designing, everything can be changed. Even you can use AI in different slides as well. But mind you that whenever you use AI feature, you will get charged, right? So obviously it will not charge again you the same 40 credits, but it will charge like 5-7 credits every time when you use AI for any specific slide, right? So here you get the AI option, and in these options you also get some AI options. Like you have selected this slide, what you can do is you can click here, you get many options, like you can export card, you can delete totally, you can totally delete the card, you can add an external link, everything can be done. You can change the styling from here, like let's say you want to change the whole layout. As you can see, you can change the layout as well, right? You can change the accent image, this is the accent image, right? You can change the color card, you can change, like you can change the width of your card, which is full bleed card, right? White content. So many options are here, many customization options are here. You can add the backdrop image as well, right? So this was all about the this card or the slide, but you can do the image changes as well. You can change the focus point, this is the image, this is the whole image. You can change the focus point as well, right? You can change the image, you can change, or you can take the surprise me option. This is basically a random option. When you click, it will create a random image for you. Okay, it has taken a theme image. Again, let's take surprise me. No, I didn't like it. So you can change accent image, and you can change it from your computer, from AI. You can do the AI generation as well, but as I told you that it will charge you the credits, right? Even you can download or you can export images from Unsplash, which is a free image tool. So you can use this. You can search here digital marketing. So these are the image. You can choose whatever the image you think is good for you, like this one, and this is how you can add the image. It is looking good, right? And let's say this is showing that this presentation is created by Abdul Hamid and all, and last edited this. You can totally delete this. This is not so important, right? You can change, do some changes into the text. You can change the content as well. Like you can click on this three dot icon. Tons of customization options are here. You can do bullet point. You can change the text. You can change the headline or the content part. Basically, it is normal text, it is headline, it is title. You can define that as well, right? Even you can use AI as well. Basically, you can change this content using AI, but obviously it will ask some credits for that, right? So told you many times that every time you use AI, it will charge you something, right? Now here you can add any extra card. Let's say you want to add one more slide over here between these two slides. You can do that as well, right? You can generate the card using AI. You can manually create the card as well, right? So this is how you can manually create the card. You can choose the layout. For example, you want to choose this layout. Here you can add the image. For example, you click on edit image. You can go to accent images, and here are the options, right? So you can go with Jiffy. Jiffy also provides free GIFs, right? So Jiffy would, okay, let's see if we get something over here. Computer. So yeah, we are getting computer. Let's add this one, right? And it is looking good. Now in this part here, you can add the text like digital marketing is a huge game, all kind of that thing you can add. You can add extra text over here. You can go to text formatting in order to change the text, right? So tons of options are there. I'm telling you again and again, right? And once you have entered the headline, you can add the text. Even you can directly use AI from here, right? It is showing type / for block +++ to continue with AI. Like if you go with +++, it will generate the text using this headline, right? This is how the use, or this is how useful this gamma.app is, right? You just need to type +++ 3 times, and it will take this headline and create content around that, right? And our slide has been created. This is how you can create multiple slides as well. You can do some manual changes as well, right? So once everything is done, you can download this presentation, or you can present this presentation from here as well. Like you can click on this start presentation, and from here itself you can present the presentation, right? You can click on Control F11 in order to make it full screen, and like this, let me show you, right? And you can present the whole presentation to your client, to your customer, or to whom you want to present, right? I hope you understood how this gamma.app is useful and how efficient it will make you. Now it's your turn to go to gamma.app and create your own presentations, and I hope this will help you save lots of time. Now let's understand what are the key benefits. Obviously you have already figured out this few key benefits of using gamma.app, but still I want to cover that. So as you can see, the first one is smart content integration. So gamma.app creates content very clear, concise, and to the point, and the content integration is very smart, right? Then the customizable designs, you can totally customize everything there, right? Multimedia integration is very good, so you don't need to think about like the GIF or the images, right? Everything works perfectly. And the last one is very important, that is time efficiency. If you want to create an 8 to 9 slides of presentation, definitely it is going to take around 1.5 hour to 2 hour, right? Minimum it is going to take at least 1 hour, right? But with gamma.app you can create within 5 minutes to 10 minutes with the customizations, manual customizations, right? This is what the power of AI. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you like this video, if you like the tutorial, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. It motivates us to create more content like this and help you with different tools and different money making tricks and tips, right? With that said, I want to take your leave. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.